Today, I want to show you how to install WordPress with SiteGround. Back in the day, installing WordPress or similar content management systems was an absolute pain as it involved creating MySQL databases and transferring files via FTP clients. Luckily, most providers now have an easy-to-install process that will make it straightforward, even for beginners. SiteGround is a hosting provider that offers many WordPress-focused features. For example, they come with built-in caching and image compression to speed up your website. Installing WordPress is, of course, made easy too. From your dashboard, head over to the Websites tab and click on Add New Site in order to install WordPress. You'll be given 3 options for your new site. Use a new domain, use a domain you already have in your SiteGround account, or use a temporary SiteGround domain name. If you choose the last option, your site will be hosted in a domain like this one. I'm going with this option as this will be a test installation. Because we are installing a brand new site, I'll choose the Start New Website option. I don't need an online store, so let's install WordPress without Woocommerce. Finally, set up your WordPress admin user and password, and click Continue. The next step is to add any extras you may need. Since I don't need anything else, I'll click on Finish. In a couple of minutes, SiteGround will have installed our new WordPress site. Here we go. Our new WordPress site is ready. Head over to the WordPress admin dashboard and log in to start working on your website. If you're a beginner, you might wonder where to start. That's why SiteGround comes with a simple starter plugin to help you with the first steps. This starter plugin will suggest a couple of templates you could use and recommends some plugins that will be installed directly on your WordPress site. Personally, I prefer to do things the traditional way, so I'll click Exit and will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. That's it! You now have a WordPress site up and running. You should pick a template, install the plugins you're planning on using, and start uploading your own content. If you need help with any of this, make sure to check out our WordPress guide. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and good luck with your WordPress site. If you find this video useful, let me know by giving it a like.